Great afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Now, in maths class, today we will do UT revision. We will do the practice of UT maths. Okay, today we are going to do practice of topics number names 1 to 10, tables 2 and 3, tens and ones, book number 1 and book number 2. Book number 2 from page number 28 to 45. Okay, so let's get started. Our first topic is number names. See first number 1, O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-W 3, F-O-U-R 4. Next number is 5, F-I-V-E 5. Next number is 6, S-I-X 6. The next number comes after 6 is 7. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N 7. Next number 8. The spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T 8. After that come 9. The spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E 9. Next number is 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Now we will revise table of 2 and 3. Firstly we will revise the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. Now we will revise the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. These were the table of 2 and 3. Okay. Now we will revise tens and ones. Now we will do tens and ones. First number is given here 53. We have to find out tens and ones in 53. Here is 5 on tens place and 3 on ones place. In the 21, 2 is on tens place and 1 is on ones place. So 2 tens and 1 ones. In the next number 49, 4 is tens and 9 is ones. Next number 72. 7 is tens and 2 is ones because 7 is on tens place and 2 is on ones place. See the next number 86. In 86, 8 is on tens place and 6 on ones place. Now next number is 50. In 50, 5 is on tens place and 0 is on ones place. 5 tens and 0 1. 50 में 5 tens हैं and 0 ones हैं. Okay. Next number is 18. In 18, 1 is on tens place and 8 is on ones place because in 18 there is 1 10 and 8 ones. Okay. So these were tens and ones. This is book work same and different. We have to find out same and different objects. I told you in last class the objects can be different in shape, in size, or in color. Okay. So let's see the same and different objects. Okay. Same and different object. You will cross different objects and you will take same object. Okay. So students, see it carefully. Here is umbrella and cat. These objects are not same. These are different. So we will cross it. We will cross it. See the next one. Apple and flower. These objects are not same. So we will cross it. Next object is book and banana. These objects are not same. These are different. So we will cross it. These objects are not same. So we will cross these objects. Okay. These are different. See the next one. There are two pencils are given and both pencils are same. So these objects are same. So we will tick this picture. Okay. Next one is cake. Cake are same. Both cakes are same. So we will tick it. Next one, there are two buckets and both buckets are same. So we will tick this picture. Next one is house. Both houses are same. So these are same object. We can tick it. T-shirt and a butterfly. These objects are not same. These are different. So we will cross it. Next is umbrella and a fan. These objects are not same. Okay. So we will cross it. So students, I hope you understood the concept of same and different. Okay. Now we will do up and down concept. Up and down. Up mean ऊपर, down mean नीचे. Baby bird is up and mama bird is down. Students, now we will do the worksheet of up and down concept. Okay. See the first one. This arrow is going to upside of the stair. Arrow stairs के ऊपर जा रहा है. तो it means the position of arrow is up. Now see it. The mouse is upside of the ladder. तो इसकी position क्या है? Up. Here the mouse is near about the ladder. नीचे है ladder के. तो it means its position is down. Its position is down. Next is there is a elf. Elf is standing under the chair. तो इसकी पोजीशन क्या हुई? Down. This elf is upside of the chair. तो ये elf chair के ऊपर है तो इसकी पोजीशन है up. Okay. Now see this cat. This cat is going towards upside of the ladder. So its position is up. Now see this boy. Boy is on the skating board. Skating board के ऊपर है boy. तो it means its position is up. Now see this boy. This boy is down to the skating board. Its position is down position. Okay. Now here is cat. This cat is coming down to the ladder. Ladder के नीचे आ रही है तो its position is down. Okay. So this was the concept of up and down. I hope you understood it very well. And now we will do the concept of outside and inside. Outside mean बाहर, inside mean अंदर. Okay. Here is two dolphins are given. One is outside from the water and one is inside in the water. So this dolphin is outside and this dolphin is inside in the water. See the other example. There are some crayons are given and these crayons are inside the box and these crayons are outside from the box. So this position is inside and this position is outside. This was the concept of inside and outside. Okay students. Now we will revise shapes. Okay. See the first shape. This shape is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Next one is oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Okay. See the next shape. This is triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Next shape is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Next shape is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Next shape is diamond shape. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. So these are the shapes which we have done in last classes. Okay students. Now we will do the activity of shapes. We will match the shapes with the objects. Let's start to do it. The first one is already done for us. Okay. See the next one. Now next one is oval shape. Mirror has oval shape, so we will match it with oval shape. Now next is rectangle shape. This biscuit has rectangle shape. See the other one. Other one has the shape diamond. So we will match it with the diamond. Okay. Now next is, this shape is triangle. We will match it with the triangle shaped object. Okay students. We have matched the objects with the shapes. Okay. So my dear students, we have done the number names from 1 to 10. Tables 2 and 3. Tens and ones, book number 1 and book number 2. Concepts, we have done the concepts of book number 1 and book number 2. I hope you all have understood it very well. All the best for your UT. Thank you. Have a nice day.